I'm tired and I'm hot. I'm in downtown Seoul here, and what I need is to find food and air conditioning soon. And what better place to find that than Lottie Mart. Alright, so here we are inside Lottie Mart. This girl here, she just gave me a free sample of skin food. Thank you.
Thank you.
They have free samples all over the place. I'm gonna go up and try one here. I have no idea what this is. Kind of funny tasting. A little more my style here. This is pork chop. I think these are some kind of beans wrapped in seaweed. Probably beef. Can't tell what this is, maybe some kind of tree root. Fried up. We're gonna try one. Good. This one tastes like tofu. This is a chocolate cake-like pastry. In the cup is some kind of cold soup-like pasta. I thought it would be rude if I didn't buy at least one thing, so these are pot stickers. They go for 1,000 won, which is equivalent to about 80 cents right now. This little eatery here is parked right in the middle of the store, and you can just pull up and eat while you're shopping. I love these things. At this store they cost 1,800 won, but I've seen them for much less. 1,800 won right now is equivalent to about $1.45. All the samples I tried were free, and I tried about half a dozen new things. What a great bargain.